We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced words and names as well, including brand names, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, this is a word of French origin, which explains the spelling and part of the pronunciation. For reference, in France, this is said as boutonniere, boutonniere. This is why, in English, it is usually said as boutonniere, boutonniere, or in American English, boutonniere, boutonniere. In American English, boutonniere. In British English, from French, boutonniere. And now, you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names, fashion brand names included, whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.